Hello, welcome back to CapSim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips, the details, the guide and tips when CapSim walkthrough for round 2. This video for round 2 details the decision for marketing. You can check the other video for R&D, for production and finance TQM. This video focus on the marketing. I show you the detail now. So now we set decision for marketing, right? You can use the Excel file like this to keep track of the price for 8 rounds. So just reduce 50 cents for each round to make it some more competitiveness. But I show you the details why you do that, right? So you can check the report here and you see the 5 segment here: traditional, low end, high end, performance and size, the stock price, the sale here, production for the next screen. But this is for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You see the detail price of last round. So for the traditional first, so it's very important because account to 31% of the market share, and you get the top sales here, top market share here, right? And the price here very competitive, right? You see the price here 29.5 is the range, right? You set the right price. And for the low end here, very important, account for nearly 40% of the market share, and we have the top selling price here 20.50. So set the most competitive price, not just the lowest price, right? So most competitive price, you gain the best sales and profit. And for the high end here, 11% of market share. You also have the top sales here, right? 39.5, and the range of the price here 39.5. And you set for the performance 9% only, but it's also important we get the top result here, right? You see that top result. And also for the size here, we also account for 9%. We also get the top sales here. So it's very important. So check the price of competitor to set the best price, right? So now we set the price for round 2, right? We set the price for round 2 29, 20, 39, 34. And I say again that again and again many times, do not copy the number and put into your game. You need to adjust the number to customize your strategy, adjust and change that to meet the competition condition of your game. Do not just copy and paste into the game, because game and game may be different from student to student. Numbers are different from game to game, right? So I show you the strategy, how to do it. You get the overview and you understand the meaning behind that, and then you can set decision for your game. And now it's very important for marketing to calculate the sales forecast, right? To calculate the sales forecast, I show you now. So to calculate the sales forecast, we check the report and production analysis here. You see the number we sold last round here, So again, this number may change from round to round, from game to game. So you need to use that with your game and use that is the number from your game. You do not copy and paste the number here into your game, because the game and game may be different, right? So we get this number from your game, right? From your report of your game, and calculate like the way I'm showing now, right? Show you the way to calculate now. So we get the unit we sold from last round, and we use this number to calculate the sales forecast. For number 2, we can add about 30% to have some inventory avoid stock out, right? So now we have the sales forecast and production. We input the sales forecast here to 290, right? And 3471, 831. Again, do not copy this number to put into the game. I show you how to do. Understand the strategy, and then you can customize and change that and apply for your game to win, right? So that's the way we set decision for how to get the price, how to set the promotion, how to set the sale, and how to calculate the sale forecast. Very important. So that's an overview of decision for the marketing. You can check the other video for the production and finance and HR for round 2. Round 1 and round 2 are the most important 2 rounds to win. So you can review the top 10 winning tips for CapSim 2024-2025. Use the industry condition report. Use the free Excel file to calculate R&D. You can download under the video. Update R&D each round, very important. In round 1, 2, 3, we add 3 new products, so we can double the sale and double the profit from round 4 to 8 win on rounds. Set the prices. I just show you. Calculate the sale forecast. I just show you, right? So you will see the top result of round 2. Check the other video for more R&D tips. And remember, if you know how to set decision for 8 rounds and you can win the here. If you know what decision to make for each round, what report to read, you win 50%. how to update product, how to set price, how to calculate the sales forecast, you win 50%, 80%. And how to set decision for production, how to set the decision for HR, finance, CQM. I show you in the video. You win 99%. If you want, you can check this screen to see the personal support. Check this screen for personal support, right? Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.